Namaskaram and welcome to Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. The speciality of this show is we are using 100% organic ingredients, whether it is salad, juices or cooked food. We are using 100% organic ingredients. We have 10 stores in Chennai. If you are in Chennai, please take time to visit any of our stores. We have our stuff online also. You please visit dhanyam.in. Today we are going to see how to prepare yummy Tair Vada. There are so many festivals coming. Once October begins, we have a lot of festivals lined up. So when we think of festival, when I get up in the morning, I always think, "Innikku vandu vada payasam pananonu." So we are going to use urad dal for this. It is so important for growing children also. Anyone can have urad dal. Generally, we will make ulundangkali, ulandu urundai to be given to girl children when they are growing up. It's very important for the development of their bones. So and it makes the hip bones very stronger also, they say. So it's very important to include urad dal in our diet. We're going to make this yummy Tair Vada. We'll see the list of ingredients to make this. Urad dal 1 cup, rice 2 teaspoons, pepper half tablespoon, jeera half tablespoon, chopped ginger 2 teaspoons, curry leaves a few, green chilies half tablespoon, coriander leaves 1 tablespoon, curd 2 cups, salt as required, coconut oil or any cooking oil for frying. First we'll soak 1 cup urad dal and 2 teaspoons of rice for 3 hours. We'll drain the water and grind it using wet grinder. You can grind it in the mixie also. I usually grind it in the grinder for large quantities. If you're making just 10 or 15, I think mixie should be fine. Remember to add water little by little when you're grinding. Only a few tablespoons are enough, otherwise it will become very watery. You will not get the right consistency. The batter should be light and fluffy. Now we are going to add other items that will add taste to our vada. Let's add pepper, ginger, jeera, coriander leaves, green chilies, curry leaves, salt, and mix well. We'll refrigerate this mix for 20 minutes. Because you might have noticed when you add salt to anything that has water content in it, it becomes more watery. Like in vegetables, snake gourd, cucumber, etc. you might have noticed. So with batter also it becomes a little bit loose. So when you refrigerate, it will thicken and it gives you the right consistency to make vada. Next, I'm heating the iron kadai and pouring Dhanyam's organic coconut oil. I'm using Dhanyam's cold pressed coconut oil here. A lot of our customers ask what is the difference between the cold pressed and the regular refined coconut oils. Well, in the cold pressed method, no heat is involved. The coconuts are put into chekku. You might have seen the check, right? It's nothing but a big mortar and pestle which presses the grains or seeds to extract oil. This oil is so rich in antioxidants and other nutrients. The other major benefit of cold pressed oil is the flavor. Unrefined coconut oil retains its natural pure coconut taste. You must definitely try Dhanyam's coconut oil. It's so flavorful. On the other hand, in refined oil making, the coconuts are typically bleached and deodorized and heated in a hydraulic press before undergoing further heat and filtering. As with all food processing, the addition of heat reduces the antioxidants and other nutrients present in it. So our oil is ready now. Let's keep water in a vessel next to the batter. I'm dipping my hand in the water and then taking a small portion and making a ball so that it doesn't stick to the hand. Make a hole with the finger and gently drop it in the oil. Let it get fried. It takes just 2 minutes. Then turn it gently. Repeat this flipping gently, and when the color changes to golden brown, we can take it out. Our crispy vadas are ready now. Take some curd in a bowl and add salt. Add the fried vadas and mix well. For topping, we'll add chopped coriander, bundi and Kashmiri chili powder. For extra taste, we can heat a spoon of coconut oil and add mustard and curry leaves and pour it over. It gives amazing flavor and taste to our Tair vada. You enjoy this vada, it is so yummy. See how easy it was. We just soaked it and then we just made the maavu and then we just fried the vadas. It looks like the donut, but it is far healthier and tastier than that. You try this and kids will love this. When I'm making for my daughter, I always make without chilies. I just make with pepper and then I mix separately for others. So kids would love this. You try this and let me know how this came for you. We'll meet in our next episode. Thank you so much for watching Dhanyam's Organic Kitchen. Namaskaram.